I'm Lisa Rubel from Quilty Zest, and I hope you'll join me to create the Medallion Magic Block of the Month. You may remember me from some of Sit and Sew's earlier blocks of the month. We did this yellow and gray version a couple years ago, and I've designed this quilt with a little different assembly technique in mind. It's a medallion style quilt. So if you look at the picture on the back, we're going to start out making the block in the center, and then each month we will add blocks and units and build out from the center to the outer borders. And what that means is when we get to the last month, you won't have to go back and do assembly because we'll have assembled along the way, and your finished quilt will be ready to machine quilt, bind, and either use or gift. So this is a really fun way to do blocks of the month because you can see your progress as we put each month together, and the quilt will be done at the end of the last month. No additional assembly required. So if you'd like to join me on the Medallion Magic Block of the Month quilt along, head over to sitandsewfabrics.com and look for Medallion Magic and order the kit. The kit will come with instructions for the first month, as well as the picture of the quilt on the back, and all of the fabric that you need to sew the quilt itself. And then each month you'll receive instructions via email for that month's sewing, as well as a link to a video so you can follow along with me as I sew the blocks. Here's another little sneak peek at the fabric. We've got a great combination of some neutrals and some blues and some greens to make a really calming, relaxing, earth tone style throw quilt. So I hope you'll join me as we go on this journey over the next several months to create Medallion Magic.